It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 5th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Another beautiful day out there, but warmer this afternoon. We could be getting pretty close to 80 degrees. And same thing for tomorrow, but then a cooling trend for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend. But temperatures should still be pretty close to, if not ever so slightly above normal for the rest of the forecast period. And the bad news, no sign of any precipitation anytime soon. All right, let's talk about it. The almanac from yesterday, 69 degrees the afternoon high, 48 was the morning low, pretty close to those averages of 68 and 47. And taking a look outside right now, here at 12:20 p.m., we've got clear sky. We're sitting at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point 39, humidity 31%. The air is calm, the barometer 30.13 inches and falling. The upper-level weather pattern across the nation shows a big ridge here across the west. The main storm track being deflected to the north of us across the Pacific Northwest and the Rockies. Yeah, there's a little bit of high-level moisture around. We could see some passing high clouds from time to time, but that's going to be just about it. Meanwhile, a trough for the Great Lakes and the eastern part of the country, some cool air spilling south there. The watch warning map, we continue with the winter weather advisories and some wind over the Pacific Northwest. Things are quiet around here. Convective Outlook, speaking of quiet, no organized severe weather to be found. In fact, not even a single clap of thunder to be heard anywhere over the lower 48 over the next 24 hours. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, almost nothing. We might see just a passing shower over the Four Corners region with a system coming through here this weekend. But that's going to be just about it. We'll talk about what's going on with this weather pattern in more detail. To do that, here we go to the models, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Huge ridge out here in the west. Got a trough off the Pacific Northwest coast and a southwest flow there, so the rain continues for the Pacific Northwest, a trough in the east as well. But for us, underneath that ridge, down at the surface, sunny and rather warm for this time of year. Highs pretty close to 80 degrees. And then tonight, with clear sky and relatively dry air, we do cool off with those long December nights. Overnight lows will drop mostly for us into the 40s. And then tomorrow, more of the same. Highs right around 80, with, again, mostly sunny sky, just a few high clouds and plenty of rain for Northern California up into the Pacific Northwest and that mountain snow as well. Now, on Thursday, a system moves into the western states. The ridge gets knocked down, and temperatures will cool off several degrees. We'll see highs probably in the low to mid-70s. Friday, highs around 70, maybe the low 70s with mostly sunny skies. System passes through the western states, and a little bit of rain and snow for Colorado and some of the adjacent areas, but we stay dry. Weekend looks pretty nice. Highs, I'd say anywhere from 66 to 70 on Saturday, right around 70 on Sunday, with, again, a dry northwesterly flow aloft and just no real sign of anything. Hardly a cloud in the sky. And even Monday, highs around 70 with mostly sunny sky continuing, and any precipitation stays well to the north of us. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 12th of December. A weak little trough passing on through might bring a few clouds and temperatures upper 60s to about 70. But overall, dry conditions to continue, and then going out 10 days. This is Thursday the 14th, and guess what? More of the same. Ridging here across the southwest. There's a trough off the Pacific Northwest coast, but we stay dry with temperatures likely to remain a little bit above average. Check it out, rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS ensemble. This goes out through the 19th of the month, and just no real sign of precipitation chances here. Yeah, some of the members out beyond 10 days show some rain, but not many. And the mean is just barely over 1/10 of an inch. The European ensemble is even less optimistic than that, with under 1/10 of an inch on the mean. Temperatures off the national blend of models, highs low 80s today, tomorrow. And then after that, temperatures do cool off a bit, but overall, on any given day, highs will still be somewhat above average. Keeping in mind, we normally are in the mid to upper 60s this time of the year, and this depicts, with the exception of a couple of days, highs mostly in the 70s through much of next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. If you really like what we do here, then you can always click that little thanks icon below the video and make your monetary donation to us. Of course, if you're able to do so and you feel so inclined, $2, $5, $500, every dollar counts in the furtherance of this video and keeping the channel going. Thanks to Gary Johnson for your generous donation yesterday. Thanks so much, man. Really do appreciate it. The executive producer in absentia is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, sweetchildarizona.com. And I'm talking about my Michelle, so check her out. I tell you, when she's not here, the video just falls apart completely, and so do I. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for all of your continued support and for watching and everything that you do. Please, please be safe out there and have yourselves a beautiful rest of your Tuesday.